At this moment in time, the question is not whether we are better off than we were a decade ago. The real question is, will the world be a better place a decade from now? Hello leaders, I am Muskan Anand from the beautiful region of Jammu and Kashmir, India. I am your candidate for the position of Asia representative at the Commonwealth Youth Council. I firmly believe that the active participation of youth is critical in addressing the dire challenges that we face in today's world. This is why I am committed to ensuring that every process in the Commonwealth and beyond is inclusive of young people. Over the past 8 years, I have been actively involved in training young people, mentoring them, engaging them in service-oriented initiatives. Every project I have led has placed the young people at the forefront, leading the way. In India, I have been deeply involved in raising awareness about menstrual hygiene management among marginalized and the rural communities, providing free elementary education to the underprivileged children and promoting disaster resilience among the vulnerable populations. I have also fostered international collaboration among SAARC nations on critical issues like sustainable agriculture, renewable energy and climate change through my work with the Japan East Asia Network of Exchange for Students and Youth. Each experience has equipped me with the knowledge and skills that I will leverage for the young people of Commonwealth if I am elected. For the Commonwealth Youth Council, I have set 5 key focus areas, each supported by specific actions and strategic initiatives to empower the young people of the Commonwealth. My first focus area is empowerment of youth in governance. Various reports across the world have signaled the overrepresentation of age group 41 to 60 as compared to the age group 35 and under in the legislative assemblies. The underrepresentation of youth in governance is a democratic deficit with severe repercussions. As your Asia representative, I will advocate for policies that create pathways for active participation of young people in governance. I will also initiate youth in governance workshops that will provide practical training in civic engagement, policy making and advocacy. My second focus area is entrepreneurship. While entrepreneurship is often touted as a solution towards unemployment, substantial barriers like lack of access to capital and inadequate education still persist. I will push for policies that enhance vocational training, simplify startup funding, and create a regulatory supportive environment. I will also launch an employment accelerator program by networking with high growth sectors, directly linking internships and apprenticeships with job placements. My third focus area is environmental sustainability, climate action, and disaster resilience. Asia is highly vulnerable to climate change due to its dense population, reliance on agriculture, and coastal geography, and the marginalized communities bear the brunt of its impact. I will advocate for initiatives that protect these groups and make sure that these communities have access to resources for climate adaptation. And I will engage young people for leading the local climate action projects and conduct pioneering research. I will also organize regional hackathons to promote green business solutions and offer community resilience workshops training youth volunteers to assist in disaster situations. My fourth focus area is mental health and well-being. Nearly 1 billion people globally live with mental health conditions, and yet there is a significant gap in treatment. Understanding the urgency of this, I will push for expanding community-based mental health services, which is important for accessibility and reducing stigma. I will also roll out an online mental health peer support program offering counseling to tailored individual identities. My fifth focus area is global leadership, peace building and human rights. To foster global leadership and promote unity, I will coordinate inter-regional cultural youth dialogues within the Commonwealth, bridging cultural gaps and promoting peace building. I will also establish a human rights advocacy network that will empower young people to actively monitor and advocate for human rights in their communities. Through each initiative, inclusivity will be at the heart of my leadership. I am committed to ensuring that every young person, despite their background, has a voice and an opportunity. As your Asia representative, I will work tirelessly to guarantee that the young people are not leaders of tomorrow but of today. Together, we will shape a brighter future. Vote for me, Muskan Anand, as your Asia representative at the Commonwealth Youth Council.